Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. National Financial Literacy Month is celebrated in April, which is a great opportunity for us to check and promote our financial situation and skills. Joining me for this segment, we have Patrick Aber, co-founder and COO of Tornado, to discuss educating new investors on financial fundamentals. Prior to diving into trading, Patrick, it's great to see you again. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
You too, Jill. Thank you for having me.
Millions of new investors are now involved in the markets, and it's never been easier for individual investors to participate, and that's a great thing. How is Tornado supporting this influx of Gen Z and millennial investors, many of whom are just getting started?
Yeah, it is a great thing that more and more people are becoming investors, and I think the events of early last year really changed the investing landscape forever, led to millions of new investors, but also a new crisis in education in terms of how to inform and educate those new investors. At Tornado, we believe money skills are empowering, and we think every investing platform really has a responsibility to educate their users. And we think, really anyone has the potential with the right resources, tools, and support to really become a good investor.
And I understand that Tornado is evolving to meet the needs of investors. Can you tell us more about your Learn and Earn program and what you're trying to achieve?
Yeah, absolutely. So Learn and Earn is our interactive educational feature. It helps our members improve their skills with financial education that's tailored specifically to their experience level. And so how it works is a new lesson becomes available once a day in the Tornado app and website, and our users can earn up to $50 to invest by completing those lessons. We launched this program just a few months ago. It's already received over 500,000 completed lessons. And we're finding that our members really love it. 95% of people who start a lesson complete it, and then 93% of those people come back for the next lesson. And the content is developed by our own team of former Wall Street professionals, and we're also really excited to partner with Nasdaq on some of those lessons as well.
So it sounds like you're really honing in on trusted resources, and it feels like many new investors are seeking more transparency from their broker. What does transparency have to do with financial education?
Yeah, we believe definitely that all investors have the right to demand transparency from investing apps. And I think incentives in the industry, such as payment for order flow, can create a conflict because brokerages make more money when their users place more trades, and also when they just place riskier trades, such as big options trades or penny stocks. And I think that really exacerbates the education problem. So we've adopted a sustainable subscription-based business model that helps us be aligned with our community rather than against them.
And finally, what can we expect in the year ahead?
We're excited about the impact we can make really to make smart long-term investing engaging, welcoming, and inclusive for everyone. One great example of that is with women investors. So women are traditionally underserved on a lot of other investing apps. Surprisingly, only a quarter of customers on a lot of investing and trading apps are women. And so we've seen 40 to 50% of our new signups from women in the last few months. And we're actually seeing that first-time female investors are our single largest demographic of new accounts. So that's really exciting. Another interesting trend that we're seeing is with Gen Z investors. We see that as they use and engage with Tornado, they're really gravitating towards less risky and longer-term investments like ETFs and blue chip stocks, as opposed to meme stocks and some of the kind of trendier trades that may have brought them into the market in the first place. I think these are important pieces of our mission of supporting every investor on their journey, no matter where they start from.
All right, Patrick, great to catch up with you. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Joe.